It's slick here! We'll turn left and head down the road. There's this big open lot. So, just follow me. There's this trail that, you know, right in front of my papa's house, that lot over there. We can get from it from here. We'll go on that. Well, he's never really ridden before, and he crashed at the start, but we're fine so far. He's so sketch. Oh, stupid tree. Woo! You gotta get one now. But when you get a new one, they'll run better than that thing. You made it. And then ride out and ride the road back, or we can just ride around here?
We can do that trail that you said.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah. See, now imagine if you and Eric got him and Papa was on that one, we could go everywhere. Yeah. You want to lead or me? All right. Yeah. There. See, this trail doesn't get ridden. These ones get ridden all the time by other people, so these are opened up. He's going way too fast. He's gonna slide. I mean, if he was like Papa, I'm fine with Papa doing that stuff. Dude, you good?
I'm good.
Oh. Yeah, you want to be careful. These are slick. I'm sorry, I locked up my brakes, but I have that bald tire, so I hit you.
Oh, I didn't even notice you hit me.
Yeah, you got to be careful on these. These are slick.
Yeah, that's me, right out from under me.
Yeah, I did that earlier. Yeah. I mean, I don't think you broke anything. No, you're fine. Just that.
Yeah, I kind of just slid right off of it.
Yeah. That peg, he bent it the other day on a rock, and now it doesn't really work well. Hey, that's a GoPro clip. Oh wait, did I hit the, I didn't hit the switch on. There we go, it's on. Yeah, so probably take it easy, cause on the field it's really bad. Oh, locked up on him. It's like a sheet of ice under there. Oh. Yeah, it happened right over there. I was coming around that corner full speed and I went straight out. Yeah. Oh.